My name is Morgan Manson. I'm a first-year economics major from Durham, North Carolina.
My name is Kendall Nickens, a business management major with a minor in computer science from Oakland, California.
Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? My name is Lamar Jones from Washington, D.C. I'm a first-year finance major here at Hampton University. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lauren Joyner. I'm a first-year criminal justice major from Middletown, New York.
Hi, my name is Kayla Garrett. I'm a second-year education major from Franklin, New Jersey.
First off, I would like to ask you all a question, a very important question. Do you know what makes you, you? I would like to intrigue you all with a deeper understanding pertaining to the flora and the fauna of the human body. The human body carries trillions of bacteria cells. But little do people know, the human mouth carries over 400 bacteria. The ecosystem is defined as a coherent system of biophysical and social factors capable of adaptation and sustainability over time. The Human Microbiome Project helped discover that people carry 10 bacterial cells for every one cell. Bacteria plays a large part in our health. There have been many cases of bacteria being able to treat illnesses and help learn the new information toward a fight towards better health for the human society.
The human body consists of trillions of organisms. The bacteria living on and in us make up our microbiome, which consists of the components that create an ecological community. The bacteria, fungi, and archaea that live on and in us outnumber our own cells 10 to 1. These bacteria help to digest food, program the immune system, prevent infection, and influence mood and behavior. The bacteria species that reside in our bodies adapt to the habitat which they exist in and work to create some sort of an ecological balance.
Good. Do you remember what we covered last week?
No.
Well, I hope you remember because we got a test next Thursday. But today we're going to talk about the human body as a series of ecosystems, fauna, and flora. So take out your notebooks and computer and begin to copy down the notes. Kayla. Can you turn your music down? Excuse me.
So I can't see what you're writing, so you're gonna have to move over just a little bit. Thank you. I'm sorry, what is the flora and the
Bacteria, fungi, archaea, and even viruses. When the flora is disrupted, it can cause disease. When the microorganisms are not effective, it's called normal flora or microbiota. Normal flora are found on all surfaces exposed to the environment, such as skin, eyes, mouth, and nose. So most bacteria is found in the large intestine. So, our relationship with our flora is much like an ecosystem. Many of the normal flora are pathogens or opportunistics. The normal flora derives from their host, which is a steady supply of nutrients, stable environment, protection, or transport.
Wait, I'm confused. What does the fauna have to do with the flora in the human body?
So as I said before, our bodies are host to billions of different kinds of bacteria. Bacteria is more than likely to be found on the skin, like moist areas, respiratory tract such as the nose, urinary tract, and the digestive tract. Although, within the digestive tract, the stomach contains few bacteria because it's high in acidity. The large intestine, or the colon, is the main location for bacteria.
So is the normal flora always useful or beneficial?
That's a very good question, but it's not always beneficial or useful, simply because some of the normal flora are pathogenic, and they end up in parts of the body that they don't necessarily are usually located in. For example, Bacteroids are normally located in the intestines but create abscesses if they penetrate into deeper tissue through traumatic or surgical wounds. So for the sake of time, since class is almost over, to reiterate, the human body has many ways to relate to the normal flora. The types are through mutualism, pathogenic, and commensalism. The most important is mutualism, because in a mutual relationship, the host and the microbe benefits from the relationship. An example would be E. coli. These organisms live in the intestines where they receive nourishment and produce vitamin K, which the human body requires. So I'm going to let you guys go so you can pack up.
Who's gonna be our teacher for next time?
Oh yeah, next week I will not be here, so you guys will have a substitute. Her name is Lauren, and she will further explain what the fauna is and how it relates to the flora. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, class. My name is Professor Jones, and I'm here to talk to you guys about fauna as promised. I know your previous teacher yesterday, Professor Kayla, talked to you guys about flora, and I'm going to talk to you about fauna, which is something that really can't live without flora. I know a bunch of you guys got kind of confused about what fauna actually is, but fauna is really more simple than what you guys actually think. Fauna is the group of animals in a particular region. Fauna also plays a vital ecological role, such as pollination and seed dispersion. Fauna is a very broad topic. It stretches from land to water, and there's so many subdivisions of fauna. Here's some examples. You have cryofauna, which is animals that live in or very close to ice. Can anybody tell me anything that you think that will fall into the area of cryofauna? There you go, thank you. You have penguins, you have sea otters, and you also have polar bears. Cryptofauna, which is animals in protected habitats. You have infauna, which is organisms that live within the bottom of the water. You have epifauna, which is animals that live just underwater. So that could be anything: a sea turtle, a shark, a seal, stingray, you name it. You also have megafauna, which is large animals of any particular region. So giraffe, elephants, again, you name it. Fauna also attracts humans to nature, and it plays such a big role in how humans are attracted to nature and how we involve ourselves in nature. For instance, when you see an old man just feeding a bird or throwing bread at the park, feeding a bird, that has to do with fauna. Because you hear a bird call and you get that relationship with animals. That's exactly what fauna does. If a bird call, you have a lion's roar, or just a bird pecking on a tree. All that has to do with fauna, of how that us humans relate to that, and we just get attracted to it. It's like a magnetic pull. So, like I promised, class is dismissed early. Fauna is a real broad topic. Very, very broad topic, and it has a lot to do with it, and it means a lot. But it's not hard to explain. It's not hard to understand. It's very simple, and it means a lot to your life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
As you watch this video, I hope you learned a few things. 1. The human body is defined as a coherent ecosystem of biophysical and social factors capable of adaptation and sustainability over time. 2. Flora are microorganisms that constantly inhabit the human body. For examples that include bacteria, fungi, and archaea. Flora are also located on all surfaces exposed to the environment, like your skin, eyes, nose, mouth. On the other hand, fauna are groups of animals in a particular area. Fauna attracts the humans to nature, like a bird call or a lion's roar. Without flora, fauna couldn't live. Flora produces oxygen for the fauna, and the fauna in return gives off carbon dioxide. If the balance of flora and fauna has been destroyed, that could cause an extinction of an entire species and a destruction of a habitat and local sources. Now, after watching this video and hearing all the information, I hope you can answer the question, what actually makes you, you?
Whatever you want, whatever you need, my heart belongs to you.